Here is a case where ball A moves with a uniform velocity of 3 meters per second along the y-axis, and simultaneously ball B moves with a uniform velocity of 4 meters per second along the x-axis. Now we have to find the velocity of approach or separation after 1 second. And you can see that they start off together. So after a second, OA will be 3 meters and OB will be 4 meters. Since OA is 3 meters and OB is 4 meters, and this is a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse AB will be 5. This will allow us to find the angle OBA. So let's do that first. If OA is 3 and OB is 4, then the angle OBA will be the tan inverse of 3 over 4 or 37 degrees. In this case, let's obtain the velocity components of both VA and VB along the line AB, and then take the relative velocity of those components. The vector VA is along the y-axis, so we first need to obtain its components along the line AB and perpendicular to the line AB. And we consider only the component along the line AB, which is VAX. VAX will be VA cos of 53. Similarly, the vector VB is along the x-axis, and its component along the line AB will be VB cos 37, and we ignore its component perpendicular to the line AB. Now we have the vector components along the line AB, so let's compute the velocity of approach as we can obtain the relative velocity of these components. The velocity of approach or separation of B with respect to A will be the relative velocity of the components along the line AB, so that would be VBX minus VAX. If we take the direction along VBX to be positive, then VAX will be negative, and therefore VBX minus VAX will be 4 cos 37 minus 3 cos 53, which is positive. Now this will be the magnitude, and the direction of the velocity of B with respect to A will be along the line AB and away from A. You can see that both these components will tend to move A and B further apart. And it is clear from this figure that at this instant in time, A and B will not be approaching each other, but will be separating from each other. So in this case, we will term this as the velocity of separation. In this case, A sees B moving with a velocity of 5 meters per second along the line joining A and B, and moving away from A. Only at this instant, mind you, so only at this snapshot. Likewise, B will see A moving away from itself along the line AB with a speed of 5 meters per second. Again, only at that instant in time, which is 1 second after they have started from the origin.